So what's the difference between a YouTube brand account and a personal account? Glad you asked, because in this video, we're gonna go over what the difference is between the two and help you decide which one makes more sense when starting your YouTube channel. I'm also gonna be showing you how to check to see if you already have a personal account, and if you do, how to switch to a brand account if it makes more sense. So stick around. First, let's go over what is a brand account. A brand account is perfect if you're thinking long-term and want to create a more professional presence on YouTube. Here's why. With a brand account, you can have multiple managers of your YouTube channel. Why is this so important, you ask? One of the first and biggest reasons you might consider a brand account is because you could have multiple managers of your account. You don't have to share your personal login information with them. This is super important if you're planning on growing a team. Another reason is brand consistency. With a YouTube brand account, it's easier to keep a consistent brand image all across YouTube services. Plus, another cool thing is your brand account doesn't have to be tied up to your personal Google account. Another important feature that a brand account has to offer over a personal account, all the analytics and insights that a brand account has to offer. So with this, you get access to data analytics, which can help you understand your audience better and make better data-driven decisions. Now, let's talk personal account. Why would you start with one? One of the first main and important aspects of a personal account over a brand or business account is the simplicity. It's straightforward and super easy to set up. All you have to do is just sign in with your Google account and you are good to go. Similar to the simplicity is the quick start that it offers. If you're eager to start on YouTube and you don't want to deal with a whole lot of setup, a personal account is the way to go. All right, now that we understand the difference between a business or brand account and a personal account, let's check to see which kind of account you currently have. And then I'm going to show you, if you have a personal account, how to switch it over to a brand account. So let's jump into my computer right now. All right, guys, now that we're in my computer, to see what kind of account you have, what we're going to do is go to the top right corner here and click on our profile picture. And then we're going to go to YouTube Studio. And then from there, off on the left, we're going to go to Settings. Then we're going to go to Channel. From there, we're going to click on Advanced Settings. And then we're going to scroll down to Manage YouTube Account. Once we're in there, we're going to go to Advanced Settings. In here, will tell us if we have a personal or brand account. Right now, as you can see, my John Mitchum account, when we go to Move Channel, it says Move Channel to a brand account. So what we're going to do to move the personal account to a brand account is we're going to be creating a new channel and then taking this channel and transferring this channel to the brand account. So to create a new channel, what we're going to do is click on a profile picture, go to Switch Account, View All Channels, and then we're going to go to Create Channel. And then once you create channel, you'll see your next channel pop up, and you can use that as your brand to move your personal account to that brand channel. It's a separate channel that you're transferring your personal brand to that brand. It's going to move your videos, your likes, comments, all that are going to go from the personal to the brand account. So once we have the second account made, our brand account, we're going to click on our profile picture on the top right again. We're going to go to YouTube Studio. From there, we're going back to Settings, and then we're going to Channel again, Advanced Settings like before. Scroll down to Manage YouTube Account, and then we're going to go to View Account Settings. And you're going to want to be in the account, that's your personal account that you want to switch to your brand. Once you're in there, you're going to go to Move Brand Account. And from here, these are some of the other channels that I have. What you're going to do is you're going to go to Replace. So you're going to pick that brand account channel that you just made and you're going to replace it with that. And it's going to transfer your personal account right to your brand account. Me, I'm not doing that because I don't want to switch mine just yet, but that's exactly how you would do it. Yeah, if you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. Leave a comment down below. Do you have a personal channel or brand account? Would love to know. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next one.